Ako si Ginoong Christian Tablos Benaventura, 24. Tara na, Saba, Ganda, Balas!
He first appears in the traditional Sigalang uniform, honoring indigenous martial arts of Barracks, symbolizing discipline and perseverance. The costume seamlessly combines Sigalang and faith, showcasing Barracks as a town.
Mula sa Binalayan Festival of the Philippines, Julius Irving Lirio, Ginoong Rizal, binangonan ng lawa at kawayan.
And the bottom has a wooden bamboo-inspired fabric, and the salakot hat symbolizes hard work, decorated with rhinestones.
Ginoong Rizal, Dave Bravo, from Cayetano.
Primo Flores Villan, nagmula sa Mahulay na Kaluskus Kawayan Festival, Ginoong Cardona.
From the pilgrimage capital of the Philippines, Emma Nevada, Ginoong Rizal, proudly representing Barangay Talig Antipolo City.
Brian Salvador, from the mother of the rising sun and the pilgrimage capital of the Philippines, Inarawan, Antipolo City.
Prutas at gatas ng pangkamualian, John Patrick Cruz, Ginoong Rizal, Halala! My name is Edgar Topas, from the Municipality of Artistry and home of all Gigantes, San Isidro Angono.
My name is Brown Julius Santos from San Isidro, where Suman, Bibiga, and Latis celebrate. Kaita! Jefferson Bella, representing the pilgrimage capital of the Philippines, Antipolo City!
Gigantes Alliance mula sa bayan ng may pinakamasarap na suman, mangga at kasoy, Antipolo City, Rizal.
Ako, si Rode Ezequiel Sarmiento, mula sa bayan ng Alamat ni Bernardo Carpio, San Jose, Montalban.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Alvin Jalinas na nagmula sa San Juan Cainta, Berhen ng Liwanag.
Kayo ba na? Inspired, Ginong San 2025, Ginong San Mateo.
Suman, Ibika at Natin, Subinti Festival. I am ready to say your Ginoong Rizal sa Roque, Cainta.
From the beautiful mountains and majestic views and scenery, Christian Jacob Atienza Aguiluz, Ginoong Silangan San Mateo Rizal.
Proud na ako of the most famous delicacies in the Philippines. Suman, Ibika, Date. I am Auchi Gabriete, representing Santo Domingo, Cainta.
Burning Soya from the garments capital of the Philippines, Ginoong Rizal, Taytay.
Walking with pride and honor on stage, Harry Sawyer from Taytay presents a Hamaka-inspired festival costume by Jojo Alan Santos. Hamaka is an abbreviation from Hamba, woodwork, makina, sewing machine, and kasuotan, garments, design, reflecting the town's main industries. The festival aims to promote tourism in Taytay and revitalize the woodworks and the garment industry.